Yo. What up, TikTok? What up, YouTube? Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa-y. Whoa-y. What up, what up, what up? All right, W. Check. All right, man. Check. Cool as. Yo, check, 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 check. Check, 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 check. Here we are. Back at it with another video. Back at it, you guys. Yeah, it got brought to my attention that this is London Open now. I forgot that the time's changed. Pre-London. Yeah, I know. I guess I'm so stupid. Bluey. Yeah, well, I guess this is London a pre-London session. Yeah. And we're in a shit spot as well. Stupid rich, yeah. Yeah, we're in a whack spot as well. Maybe NQ could save the day. But very unlikely. Wait, so is this technically pre-London, you guys? Yes. Excuse me, sir. What time is it now? Sylvia. God damn it. I guess I'm early. Youngest stock trader from New Zealand in the team. Static should start his short form content like that. Yeah, I always suggest that to read The Best Loser Wins. Really good book. How much is 11 PLN to AUD? Wow, $5. Sylvia just gave me $5. I'm rich from Super Chats. Super. Okay, so it's technically, yeah, we're technically pre-London. Technically pre-London, I guess. Yeah, wow. It is pre-London. All right. Show me the watch. Bro, I took a buy position on stream and lost, and I entered a sell after and take a nap and wake up. 26K! Bro! Standard Pez day. Just another day for Pezosaurus. Bro revenge traded a 26K win. Wow, Pez. Incredible. Yeah, we had a big drop over here. Yeah, how do you sleep while in a trade, especially a full margin trade? You're buying now? Yeah, so I don't know. This isn't the best time to start the stream, to be honest, after we've just dropped down a lot of red. We'll have to see what happens here. I guess we'll mark. I can't even mark a level here just yet. Good to see you. What up, Moodgy? Nah, I've never seen that. I've never read that, Loose. What's auto trade? Is it real or not? No, it's not real. Autobot. Also, past two alphas. Nice. Let us know how you go with that. What up, Chill? Wow, massive day, Pez. Huge day for the books. Yeah, I mean, pre-London, we'll see. We've just dropped a lot here pre-London, so yeah, we'll see how this candle wants to close and if we can start getting a bit of structure here. Yeah, I don't know anything, Matt. That's why I'm accidentally early. I'm a noob. So how trade? How do trade? So how to trade, please? Yeah, a lot of red, you guys. York Hunter Burns? Wait, what? Oh, it doesn't make sense. That's not a thing. I don't think that's one. All right, man, there's a closure. It's not. This isn't a potential buy here. If anything, this is giving us a bit of room now to put a sell below level, if anything. But even to the far left, like what's to the left? It's a bit of dog shit, man. Yeah, not a good place to come into here in London, to be honest. Let's see what's on NQ. Yeah, I like to buy a lot. Bro, can I buy now? I mean, technically, yeah. Technically, it's going to be tough for sells, man. Real tough for sells. I mean, this is a hour level. Not a 30-minute level. Akita, I'm doing amazing. If it goes up a little, then red maybe we can sell. I mean, fuck, I can't. There's nothing for me to sell. There's no like. Yeah, there's no predictable shit here right now. Potential sells below. when we get an apartment tour. I had a videographer here yesterday doing a bit of apartment tour stuff. Yeah, I'll put out a new vlog very soon. I just need a bit more content for the vlog because I got like me buying a Rolex and then just at the apartment content. That's not enough. Maybe I could yap a bit at the end just to fill some time or something. First ever proper trade brother made 10 minutes, started trading because of you. Awesome. Massive Joe. Which broker? Tora Markets. It's linked in my description on YouTube. I'm live on YouTube. If you use my YouTube link, you get 100% bonus. Meaning if you put in 1,000, your account says you get 2,000. Crazy, right? Brokers have had to you know, compete with prop firms, so they're doing stuff like this now. Only if you use the link in my bio on YouTube, in my live stream description. How much you risk per trade? It depends. Like 400 per account or something on average. Hello, bro. Can we know how the mentorship works? Yeah, it just works by you, you know, you work with me one-on-one. I do something that no one else does in the industry, which is you get unlimited one-on-ones with me. So it's a mentorship. What happens in a mentorship? You get mentored by the mentor. I can't mentor you if I just say, here's a course, see you later. 100% bonus is a scam. If it's a scam, then do it. Come back to me and say, I got scammed, and then I'll pull $1,000 out of my account and give it to you. Because I told you to do this. So if I'm scamming, then I'll give you $1,000. How about that? Come back on stream and say, Daniel, you lied about that. And I'll say, okay, post in the Discord here, the free Discord community, that I lied. And then I'll pass you the $1,000. How about that? Brother, you read our messages also? Yeah. So, man, it's going to be tough, man. I jumped on stream and I said, looking at the structure, it's going to be tough. Yeah, it's dope, bro. It is dope. It's like you get extra leverage to play with. But it doesn't mean that you put in 1,000 and then your account says 2,000 and you get to withdraw that. No, no, no. It just means you have that much as leverage now and you can trade with more capital. Wow, this is bonkers. Look at this, you guys. We're just moving down. At least we're getting out of this range. I don't want to be in this range. If we get this level now, I'm very happy. This is a much higher, heavier level that I'm interested in. How do I become a scammer? You just do not redeem. Do not redeem. Ma'am. What's the minimum you trade with? The absolute minimum that you can put in. So you're going to go for buy or sell? Fuck off, loose. Bart or Shat? It's 7:21 there. AM there. Drop a thumbs up for the stream, you cats on YouTube. Show brother some love. For all the haters. My ex-girlfriend from years ago, from like 6 years ago, messaged me randomly on TikTok, on my Instagram. And she goes, I remember years ago when we dated, sleeping on the floor in a mattress in Beanley. It's great to see how far you've come. Slay. Huh. See what's up, you guys? She wants your money. It doesn't matter. The point is, they come back when you're successful. The best revenge is success. I've got this other ex-girlfriend. And when we broke up, she posted this. It says, I had to let him go so he could be with a woman on his level. It wasn't fair holding on to him, watching him to fail to reach a level he just wasn't capable of reaching. I screenshotted it. This was from 3 years ago. I screenshotted it because I knew what I was doing. I knew where I was going to be. I don't know. I just knew it. I just knew. I knew what I was going to do and where I was going to be. I still have that screenshot from 3 years ago. I love it. I read it. Bro's in Dubai chilling, reading his ex-girlfriend's messages. So, I don't know. A duck sausage? What? That's a thing? Send a pic of the rollie, brother. They find... You don't even need to send them the pic of the rollie. They will find the pic. The best feeling? Yeah. What are the chances of the market having another high this week? Looks like someone's stuck in a long position. I don't know, bro. No one knows anything. They will find the pick tough. But it's true. It is true. I'm not trying to be tough. It's like true. Go, man, you know how girls are. You get an oyster? Yes, sir. I mean, I've nearly paid it off in the last 2 days, to be honest. It took like 2 days to pay this. Trading. My wife has progressed to a call on Friday from your course and is keen to learn. Shout out from Brisbane. Oh, from Brizzy. W. Let's go. I'm going to be back in Brizzy in December. Awesome. Now I finally have no more childhood traumas because of this watch. I have internal happiness now. Melbourne meetup, but I don't know about that. But yeah, definitely got to do an Australian meetup. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. I might start cooking that actually. Man, I've been interested in trading for a long time, but I'm still underage to start. Just start by learning, bro. If you're underage, just start by learning. That's a good as way to start. Laugh face, flexing your Rolex. I'm getting a Richard Mill. No, that's better than me. You're cooler than me if you do that. Don't. Yeah, I'm going to cook some sort of meetup. I'm in for Brisbane anywhere but Felons. Nah, definitely not. Maybe actually, but yeah, it's most likely going to be a Brizzy meetup. I'm definitely going to do that actually. I'll start cooking that. I'll let everyone know in the free Discord. If any of you guys aren't in the free Discord community, here, I'll post a link in the chat. Join the community. Yeah, we're chilling. There's a Discord link in the YouTube chat. I mean, if you guys are from Melbourne and Sydney, fly up. Like, it'll be a dope. We'll organize something like, it'll be a big traders meetup. Yeah, in December. Okay, Jack. Yeah, it could work good. Brad, yeah, you're already there, Brad. Nah, that'd be sick. Okay, so this is a major level here. Yeah, but there's a lot of red, a lot of red's been redded, so we'll see. Big Wilson, what up, G? Let me just scratch my face. Brisbane meetup, yeah. Make sure you're in the Discord and I'll keep you posted about the meetup. What's that on your wrist? Sure, what's up, Ricky? Breakthrough a major level, is there much red? Yeah, that's the thing. So we could say it's a major level and we get a 15-minute closure below, but then you go, well, what's the chance of it continuing with so much red? Like, we'd need to see some nuanced things happen before that. So we'll have to see how it develops as it approaches this level. As we approach the level, scientists, David Attenborough, the glaciers. Man, when David Attenborough dies, it's gonna be a sad day. Scientists are still yeah, I don't know. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, that's the theory, right? Explain 100% bonus, how it works. How the 100% bonus works is if you, on your first deposit, if you put in 1,000 or 100, for instance, your account will say 200. Does it mean that you can withdraw that 100? No, but you can continue to grow as if your account was double the size that it is. So it gives you more leverage to play with. And then as you come down and if you lose it, like it's what it says it is. There's no like hidden weird shit. It's literally what it says it is. But you have to use the link in my live stream description. It has to be specifically through that link. Scientists. Here's the link. I'll post it in YouTube. Pin. All right, man. There's our closure. 30-minute closure. Little to no bottom wick. It's tough, man. Tricky time to come onto the stream, but we're here now, so I guess we're going to make the most of it and try and see what happens. I know one day I'll look back and remember the person I was. All right. The one who hid away his pain with the clutches of drugs. I won't be angry, regret. Only smile on my own. Is it visible on your own when somebody uses the link? I have no idea. Yeah, I have no idea. Yeah, here we go. The gold movement is annoying. Yeah, it's annoying when you're not in a cell. What up, King? If I lose my original capital, my account gone? Nah, it's so if you put in 1,000, then your account says 2,000. Your account's not gone until it goes down 2,000. Right? Dan, are you an alcoholic? If alcohol's a coffee, then yes. Wow, that's the most that's the most thing that you would see on like the back of some, 40-year-old lady's divorced mum's car. If alcohol's a coffee, then I'm an alcoholic. How much size? I mean, I don't know. Yeah, so look at this, you guys. Chartaholic. Where to watch at? Look at the diamonds. How much was it? $27,000. Guys, I low-key had my biggest day ever yesterday. $16,000 trading. All good. I guess that's just a thing now. All good. I mean, like even today, it's like ridiculous numbers and it's just like, yeah, all good. I guess that's just what I do now. That's the thing with trading. It just becomes a thing and then you're like, well, that's just what's up now, I guess. But what did it take to get there? And then you flash us through all like the tears and like, oh, why? We're getting orange with it. Legit. Pesosaurus. Any tips on not feeling like shit after blowing my accounts? You're supposed to feel like shit! You're supposed to feel like shit. Why? Because you learn from that shit. If you feel like shit, you're not meant to feel like shit. You're meant to feel like the son of God, right? So, or the child of God. So you got to learn from it. Okay, how do I not feel like shit again? Well, I revenge traded and I did this and I bang bananaed. Like, avoid doing the things that put you in a position to feel like shit. That's just the key to life. That's what I did to massively improve my life. I started the removal process. And said, well, I keep partaking in these activities that take me back to the same place where I lost my happiness. I guess I should stop doing that. You know, addicts partake in a loop. They constantly chase happiness in the same place they always lose it. And it's like, study, bro. Yeah, what Matt said, get out. If you blow your account, like walk away, go get some air. Have you ever been in front of the charts for ages and then you walk outside and you're like, you hear birds chirping, you're like, oh yeah, that's right. I'm like on Earth and it's really pretty out here and shit. Like, go outside. Study, bro. NQ? Nothing. Stuck in this range. I mean, do we want to take a risky buy if gold closes like this? You're from Bangladesh with love faces. Nice. That's all the kisses I'll give you when I see you, my Bangladeshian brother. Bro, I've been in this trade for 3 hours. W. Wait, who the hell are you replying to? Oh, he made a video about copy trading. Yeah, what Shippy said there. I might go to this Forex Expo after this. I'll see if we can full margin a revenge trade here. Check out my short on Discord, bro. Okay, guys. I guess we're going to have to check out the short. Please don't make this waste my time. Yeah, it's fucking frozen. Didn't want a raw reaction. Did not want a raw. Yeah, my whole screen's frozen. Fuck yes. Yes. I didn't want a raw reaction. I'm just giving. Bro, your video. Bro, I wanted a full watch of this video and it just kept frozen. I mean, I get the point. I like the concept. What I've seen, it seemed cool. W. It's true though. People don't see the work that goes in behind the scenes. I mean, if any of you guys follow Pez's social media pages, he put up a post recently talking about some of the sacrifices he had to make to get to where he is in trading. And it's like, I mean, bro, like you can't even describe to people the amount of time you've been sitting there looking at a fucking bar moving up and down. Like the initial stage when you learn to trade, it's just like so much time fucking goes into just watching a screen type shit. The sacrifices, the tears, the heartache. But then people are like, hey bro, can you teach me how to trade? I'm like, oh, sure, here you go. See, good luck. And it's like, it doesn't work like that. Yes, sir. I mean, there's so much to say. Pez, what do you think about money? Do you think money is like a frequency? I know that's like a really annoying thing to say, but there's something more to money. Because once you open the door to it, it comes in abundance. And I used to hear that kind of shit. And I'm like, yeah, whatever. But now I've got money, motherfuckers, and it's coming abundantly. I'm coming abundantly. So what I say has weight because I'm doing it. Just blew my 7th funded account, brother. Throw a couple more zeros on the end of that, and that's my number. Money is like water. You think where you water your comes from. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I get it. I know, Pez. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we've got to get you on the stream again. We need Pez as like a reoccurring co-host. I know someone who started and he said his goal was 5K by the end of the month. But everyone's like that. When you start trading, you're like, I'm going to be different, right? Who else had thought that? I did. I said, I'm going to be different. I hear about all this shit, takes this long, whatever. Nah, I'm going to be different. And it's like, brother, doesn't work like that. You did? Yeah. 100%. Yeah. Hey Dan, just joined the mentorship. Yeah, Jack, I seen that. W, bro. Be good to catch up with you. Hell yeah, my friend. Be good to catch up with you. I always like catching up with guys for the first one-on-one because we set a game plan. Took me 6 months to build my first 7K business. The second, look at this. Took me 6 years to build my first 7-figure business. Built my second one in less than 2 years from that scratch. Yeah. So once you open the door, you can keep opening doors. I'm really very stressed because I failed the next 5K prop firm account. Oh shit. He failed the 5K challenge account. Call the ambulance. It's over. It's over, bro. Call it a day. Call it a day because I've been trading for about 5 years and I've never blown a challenge account. Call it a day. Yeah, you guys, this is really tough conditions here. Coming into this session, I looked at this and went, man, tough time to come onto the market and come onto stream, but like I'm here, I'm happy to try and get a trade, but it's a tough time to come onto stream. I will say that, if I'm being brutally honest. What size was the second count you brought? Oh man, my accounts always were low, like the 10K accounts and shit. Nice, Jimmy. Yeah, a couple of the guys in the mentorship got funded today by looks of it. Hey, did you guys in the mentorship take this trade this morning? If you did, beautiful work. I could have swear someone said on the stream or something that you guys took this. You did? Fuck yes. Beautiful stuff. Hell yeah. Pez took it, but it was a buy. Oh, fuck. He brought the other end of the candle. How much is the mentorship? I don't know, but if you go to danielholmestrades.com, you can inquire there. We have a couple different tiers. Only for serious, like guys that want to take their shit serious this year or whatever, but it's not like a signal type thing. Because I get that sometimes. Someone will apply for the mentorship and I'll read their thing and they're just like, sir, signal. I'm like, it's a mentorship, stupid. It doesn't say signalship. This is still holding the buy. Broker name, please. Tora Markets. There's a link in my YouTube live stream. I'm live on YouTube right now. You use that link and you get 100% bonus on your first deposit. And if you think I'm talking shit, you can come on stream tomorrow and say, Daniel, you lied to me, and I'll give you that amount in cash, cold hard cash. The link's actually pinned in the YouTube chat. I'm live on YouTube right now. Same name as my TikTok name, Daniel Holmes Trades. Type that into YouTube, you'll see I'm live. All right, man, so we're breaking back up into this range, close to kind of small body, whatever you want to call this. Oh, you guys, I mean, we're here, man, but fuck, gold's not making it easy on us. Tough time to come into the stream. Jumping on a call Thursday, let's go! W, Kieran. I mean, any of you guys that apply for the mentorship, like we've got a couple months to finish the year strong. What I've been saying to the newer guys is this is a good time to join because you sharpen right up for the remainder of the year and then come into 2026 ready to fucking crush kind of thing. All right, man. So what are we going to do here? It's tough. It's really tough. If you put 1K in, I got 2K. That's right. Yep. What up, Ashif? I got an automated trading bot available. Are you interested? I have never been so interested in anything in my entire life. I need an automated trading bot in my life. Just like I need a Latina, big booty Latina, I need an automated trading bot. If I join, you give what? 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 Can you recover my losses, please? Yes, sure. Let me somehow call the bank and shit. I'll call your broker and be like, motherfucker, give his money back. And they'll be like, but he took the trade willingly, free will. God gave us free will. And I'll be like, no, he wants it back though. And they'll just be like, oh, okay. I guess here's the money back. Please make a broad video for prop firm trading. I have a relatively broad video on Thursday dropping on my YouTube about prop firm. I come live every day. For sure. When by FX. What caught your eye with the Rolex he picked? Oh, it was just drawn to it. It was a calling. This is the thing about like becoming the best version of yourself or the highest version of yourself. In my personal belief, you know, I've had some people say that I'm materialistic and shit for getting this. I truly believe that whatever you're called to, you should go to. So if you're being called to be like a version of yourself where you're covered in tattoos and you're shredded and ripped, then do that. I've always wanted to be like clean cut, kind of rich with a Rolex. Like that's the vision for myself that I've actually desired. Maybe your vision is to wear like a fucking gold chain and you feel good in that. Whatever that vision is, my belief is that vision isn't even yours. It's just a reality that you can tap into that's already been predetermined. And if you're called to it, then do it. But people be like, oh no, you're materialistic. Okay, I'm just being my best version. If you think it's cool to be stuck in the old version of you, then go for it. So if we get a 30-minute closure coming back up in this range, could potentially look for a buy, but I could also see it faking out and continuing down because it's so bearish right now. I'm selling a bot now with 90% win rate for 5,000. Bro, people do that kind of shit. I've seen influencers pull that kind of card and then just ghost everyone. No, I don't have a Telegram. Nice, Musty. Abdul, I already said I'm going to drop one on Thursday. Interesting? Yeah, man. Pull back to 95. Don't listen to me. Okay. Why is it dropping, bro? I mean, it's got to do something. It has to either go up or down. So I guess it's just going down. It's no big deal. Can you link your Discord? Yeah, let's link the Discord. Here you go. Bro must know. Why people hating on Binaroli? People think whenever you like have something that's like expensive in their eyes, that it must be like, what do people think? It's hard to even get into the mind of a hater these days. I used to be a hater. I used to be able to be in the mind of it. I remember back in the day when I was in the fitness industry, a guy had photoshopped his photos. And I commented on it and I said, you can see you photoshopped it in the background, the wall's bending. And he commented, he said, you're a loser. And then I screenshot it. I was like, oh, look, this big influencer replied saying I'm a loser. And I was like proud that I got a response out of him. What a fucking loser I was. I screenshotted that I was proud that I got a response. What? Yes, it was Devon Physique. Bro, how do you know? It actually was Devon Physique. How did you know that? It was Devon Physique. How did you know that? Anyway. And then I realized that night, I was like, oh, I'm a loser. I'm a hater. And then I started to really pay attention to my actions from there. All right, man. So here we are. We'll see what's up, man. This is tough. This is tough. I came on the stream, seen the structure. I was like, this is going to be tough today. We'll see. The golden era. Yeah, they were the days. Devon Physique blew up at that point, but he was photoshopping everything. You couldn't use that money to change someone's life. Okay. But here's the thing, Pez. I would say, yeah, this is changing people's lives because this could inspire others to want to reach this level as well. People think in order to change someone's life, you have to have like some sort of direct contact with them. It's like, what if you get to such a level that inspires others to do the same? That's your job. So that would be my response to that. London Open in 7 minutes. Yeah, we just wasted a fucking hour. Sorry about that, man. I didn't realize the clocks are being pushed forward. I forgot. Well, I guess we just sat here and spat some bars for a bit. How big of a buffer would you say to build in a Top Step account? I wouldn't say that. I would say just jump onto your account and trade. Just think, is this a good trade? Don't think about buffers. Don't think about money. Don't think about nothing. Just think about trading. That's all you've got to do. That's all that you've got to do. But here's the thing, Pez. If no one had a Lambo, no one's going to get inspired. So someone's got to be the motherfucker to do it. What about if, Pez, if you're a dude in a small town that's crushing it, that motherfuckers go, oh yeah, that's a dude that used to have schizophrenia, right? But here's this motherfucker making their yearly wage per day. Do you think you're going to inspire a few people? I came from a small town as well. How many messages do I have from dudes in primary school going, bro, man, crazy. Can you teach me how to trade? Like, don't ever underestimate the reach. But ever underestimate how far you could give a reach around. There you go, Rad. There you go, my brother. Yep, we spoke about that exactly this morning. Really, Paul? Just message them. I took a sale on the market reversed. If you want to see the price on the chart, you guys on TikTok, you got to come over to my YouTube live stream. I'm live on YouTube right now. You can see the full screen. My YouTube name's Daniel Holmes Trade, same as TikTok. Come on, dude, let's trade. All good. Hey Dan, I lost $10 on my 1 million funded account. Should I give up? Continue through the pain. Oh, fuck. Now I'm in 6% drawdown. Yeah, everything's possible, but I mean, yeah, everything's possible, bro. You can get out of drawdown. If you can get out of drawdown, that's really good trade discipline. That's really good discipline, man. Caught the bottom on gold. I'm going heavy long here. I mean, how do you know it's the bottom though? You'll only know it's the bottom when it's up here. Right? Just give up, man. Is that for real, loose unit? I mean, they're so cheap, bro. You can get them for like 20 bucks. Oh, Ali. Wait, is that really Ali Trades? No, it's not. This only says 58 followers. But how would you know we did an interview? Oh, it really is? Bro, how? I can't tell. I can't tell these days. There's too many hectic shit. It's like... Oh, really? Wow, you never use TikTok. Okay, let me drop a follow here. Yeah, because there's no way that you would do the interview. What's up, my brother? Hope you're doing well, man. How can I get a funded account? You just buy it. That's all that you got to do. Crazy week on NQ. Let's have a look. Ah, it's nothing. Until we get out of this range or approach one of these levels, I'm not even interested in NQ. Is there a way to put time on your screen so we know instantly we're not lagging behind too much? Nah, just look at the candles. If the candles look the same, you're good to go. You can see the countdown here on the left as well. Do you have Facebook? Bro, why do you want to follow me on Facebook? Hey bro, do you have MySpace? I have started a Facebook business page. I want to start growing a Facebook trading page though, to be brutally honest. I also want to start growing this Rolly. Rolly. Hey bro, do you have an email? Hey bro, do you have an address I can show up to? Can I see the Rolly, please? You forced me to do it. Look at the diamonds. I'm now fulfilled internally. Your behavior is not in line with our policies. Gifting is suspended. Gifting is suspended in its life for 10 minutes. Reason, reproducing content. Hey bro, nothing's reproduced. Hey you guys on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube right now. If you type Daniel Holmes Trades into YouTube, you will see that I'm live there right now. I'm going to end this TikTok stream. I'll see you over in YouTube now. Lock in chat. Somehow I did something wrong on TikTok. Showing the Rolly. See, they don't want us to win. They don't want you to win. Bro, they don't want us to win on TikTok. So we're going to win. They don't want you to win. All right, man. I guess this is officially London Open. I guess this is officially London Open. Anything before was not, it was pre-London. Hey, I matched with you on Grindr. Fucking hell. When you're facing a losing streak, then what is in your mind? How to motivate yourself? What's in my mind is probably going to be different to yours, because when I face a losing streak, I already know the probabilities of my system, strategy, and playbook. That I know it plays out in my favor if I just keep punching through. So that's the only thing you could do. You just stay robotic with it, because you know in the long run you win. Stunning, man. All right, man. So here we are. I think at this stage I could be interested in sells below. Are we probably going to get that? Probably not. Why? Because just whatever. Why is your screen really tiny? I mean, why is your... You know what I mean? Like, what are we doing here? NQ still in this range. MBT. Should we sell Bitcoin if it breaks this low? And fill this gap? Came from TikTok. W. Content so inappropriate, bro. Wait, I forget what I was going to say. I forget what I was even saying. Yeah, any of you guys interested in the broker deal though, if your first deposit, you get 100. If you put 1,000 in, you get 2,000 in that account. There's a link pinned in the chat there, or in the live stream description. This is the shit that brokers do, or this broker does now to compete with prop firms. What happens to TikTok Live? I scrapped it. They were trying to ban me for some shit. Yeah, last resort, I'm going to have to sell Bitcoin. It's like the dumbest trade ever. What's your strategy? Price action. PA. Hospital. Yeah, this is a tough day to jump on stream. I bet you it's not on the move. Nah, not doing anything. You lied, you lose. You lied loose. Unless it approaches, actually taps in these levels. The funny thing is if I deposit 1K bonus, only 50%. Yeah, if you're 99, yeah. 50% if it's in between 1,000 and 5,000, if you up to 99, whatever. Yeah, I'm never doing pre-London again. I didn't mean to. That's the time I usually go live, but they just changed the clock or whatever. Yeah, no, it's 50% on the deposit that's higher. This is a link, you guys, to the broker if you want to get that deal, the 100% bonus. All right, so we're moving down again. This is tough. This is tough. Lacando, it's too hard to say. Just give it a crack. You're going to lose the account regardless, so just don't get too tied to it emotionally. It's all good. No impulse entry? Not for me, man. I can't. I can't with the candle that's structured this way. If the candle looked differently to this, maybe, but yeah. Trading beans. Legit. Hmm. Yes, Amy, it's legit. I use it. If it wasn't legit, I wouldn't be promoting it on front of thousands of people every day. Their platform's Trade Locker. This is their broker right here. I cooked some sells on it the other day, so yeah, good to go. Tora markets, Tora. Targeting buys and sells, it's going to be tough. I want to see what happens here. It's with such heavy, like look at these hour candles, just red, 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 red. Like not really getting an opportunity to enter. You just get one green candle that continues red. Which you could say, well, then why don't you just sell? It's like, that's not my proven system. I can be right about the direction, but I still need structural familiarity to enter. I need familiar price action to enter. Selling right now is a high risk than buying. I mean, I would say the opposite. If you're moving down so aggressively, like you would probably say that buying's a bigger risk. Yeah. Yeah, exactly, Lewis. Exactly. Like there was a guy before saying he's buying here because for whatever reason, but then it just dropped 130 pips. So it's like, brother. 1,000 pips today. Hassan, I think you've been coming on this stream for like a year now and asked the same question. You're on Forex most likely, and I'm on futures. W. All the FOMO traders make bank today. Yeah, some days. Yeah, some days FOMOs will get rewarded, but the issue is that reward is rewarding bad behavior. See if NQ wants to break this level. Big Dan, I've been watching you for about 9 months now. I just passed my first funder with Top Step yesterday. Let's go, Chuck. Big Chuck on the funded. Possible sells at NQ. I mean, it's not really it's not that pretty either because it's a lot of red, right? Still pretty low volume time for NQ, seems. We'll see. Stop flashing your watch. Ching, 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 ching. Blinded. Price ain't showing. Yeah. Good one, Yasin. Did you move to Dubai for tax reasons? I mean, that was probably one of the biggest reasons. Yeah. That'd be like one of the bigger reasons, I would say. Yep. Australia is like getting out of control with tax, like really out of control. Could you imagine making, like for me, for instance, making 16 grand yesterday and knowing I have to give half of that to the government? Oh, here, I guess. Here's $8,000, I guess. All good. Yeah, we have a Discord. Here's the free Dissy if you want to join the Diss. The Diss dog. Same as UK. Yeah, so it's like wild to want to be around that. I'll be like, bro, all good. I'll just go somewhere where I can keep my money. You know what I mean? It's safe here. Really nice lifestyle. Like everything's good. There's nothing about Australia that I miss. Like obviously there's certain things where I'm like, oh, it'd be good to go to a waterfall in a rainforest. But I'm just too busy like getting shit done to care about that right now. You know, if I have kids and a wife and all that kind of shit, then I'll do something. But right now I'm just trying to set shit up. That's a big thing I noticed. Like I've noticed a lot of broke motherfuckers. I can say that because I've been broke all my life. Will be like, oh, I want to achieve these things. I want to get this and that. But then they'll go on holidays. I'm like, why are you going on a holiday? You're broke. Get to work. Like I'm technically on holiday. I do what I want when I want, how I want, but all I do is work. Like, it's crazy. You got to just fucking keep going. Looks like we're still moving down here. Last resort, I'm going to have to fucking... I'm going to have to take a trade on, you know... lean cattle or something. I'm 26 now. I have a wife, kids. I know 4 years. I'm doing the best to learn trading to complement. Yeah, that's a good way to go about it, man. Do your best to learn to complement your 9 to 5. Yep. And prop firms are a good way to do that because you don't have to put a ton of money up front throughout the learning process. How long is your visa for Dubai? I mean, 2 years technically is an investor visa, but then after 180 days, I can just apply for citizenship. Sound like Tate. Don't be selfish, man. Give away some to the government. Yeah, I don't know what I could say what I'm looking for, but it doesn't mean anything right now because it's just aggressively moving down. Chelsea watch it. Bro, why little piggy? That's the most random fucking thing to say. But okay. Yeah, Martin in Dubai. All right, there's a closure with little to no bottom wick. Are we going to reject up? I don't know. Here's what I'll look for. This is my last chance to get a potential trade today. If this can reject up and engulf above here, above this level here, I'll take a buy. Other than that, there's no other trade here today for this session. So that's what I have here in text is the only trade I'm looking for today. If that doesn't happen, then I'm out. Because there's no other setups. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube live every day here. Drop us a skoo poo poo choo choo. My social medias are all the same as my YouTube name, Daniel Holmes Trades. Why no one talk about mummy no more? Yeah. Nah, mummy's out. We had to move on. So bullish would imply steady uptrend? Who said that? Where did you get that from? No, I don't trade fucking whatever. Anal trades. Has she replied to my DM yet? Huh, I guess not. $134, $9,000 for the day. All good. Next photo. Here's my balloon knot. You know what I mean? Look at these losers in the chat. Like, come on, you guys commenting. $136,000. Next photo. Here's my balloon knot. Cooking. Oh, fuck. She's never going to love me. Anyway, we've got bigger fish to fry. Price bouncing around here. I feel like sleeping, but I need money. Well, how are you going to sleep when you take a trade and you actually lose money? You know what I mean? Because that's a huge possibility as well. Oh. You'd love to hit that. No, I'm only into virgins. Okay, that sounded wrong. But you know what I mean. No, I might do the New York session in the mentorship. We'll see. History, what up, my G? I could never forget you, History. History was my first ever guy to start commenting shit on these live streams. My brother. Yeah, this sucks. Donkeys. God damn, this is just dropping, bro. Fucking wild. Thank you, brother. Success is the revenge. Yes, sir. I mean, I don't think about it like that, but it just also happens to be the case. Daniel, ain't you Muslim? So bacon is fine? Oh, Daniel ain't a Muslim. So we'll see if this price want to reject back up. Oh, this is always a good notification. Cool. Thanks, Top Step. 16,000 AED. That's always a good notification to get. Fake out on NQ, let's have a look. I mean, it didn't really break out though, that's all. Anyone that's interested in learning from me to get notifications like that randomly, go to danielholmestrades.com and you can get notifications while you're chilling here saying you just received 16,000 AED from Top Step. Or not, or you can keep telling yourself it's all good. Yay, gold keeps dropping. So I sat here for an hour and a half just to watch it fucking drop. Nice, Aaron. Wild. Give it a couple more minutes, see if it can magically reject from here, but yeah, it's not looking good. It's not looking good. 300 pip drop from London. Lucando, I already answered that before. Just go slow. You're going to blow the account regardless, but just use it as a learning thing. Just go slow. It's no big deal. It's just a 5K account. Yeah, she's moving down, man. Not giving us any opportunities here. What's considered not bad for me pulling out of a 50K account? Bro, pulling money out of a 50K account is considered incredible. You've already surpassed 99% of traders if you can do that. So let's just think about that first of all. No rejections, no retests, nothing on gold. Bro, nothing. No rejections, no retests, no nothing. It's just down, down, down. Down, 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 burn flame. Is Top Step trustable? Yes, sir. Yeah, old mate saying this is the bottom I'm buying. It's like, hey bro, you don't know it's the bottom until it's up here. He's just got roasted, spit roast. At this point, close the chart. Yeah, I know, bro. I'm with you. I'll give it a couple more minutes here, see if something spectacular can happen, but we'll see. Daniel was out across 5 accounts. Yes, sir. And my Bullinox account cooking as well. Yeah, we're up. I mean, I'm up plenty for the day. I don't need to trade again, but I would take a trade again if the market wasn't just doing this. After you close the stream, it'll go up 100%. Jesus was reliable. Yeah, market's trash. Love you guys. Appreciate you guys. Tough. This has been a tough session. As I jumped on the stream, I was like, yeah, this is tough. Like, you know, it's gonna be tough to get an opportunity here today, and unfortunately that was the case. We got like 2 really small green candles. There's nothing you can do here. So all good, gang. I guess I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. Hopefully we get a better opportunity, a better structure tomorrow. So the rollie was reliable. Thank you for showing up. Make sure you drop a subscribe, and I'll see you for London tomorrow. Okay. Appreciate you, gang. See you guys. Love ya.